Good morning, future LPTs. Good day po sa inyong lahat. Ay, nasan man po ngayon, malapit na po yung LET exam nyo. Best wishes. Sana makapasa kayo lahat. Okay? Okay, without further ado, simulan na agad natin. By the way, future LPTs, itong diniprilis po natin dito, lahat po ito ay based sa actual board examination. I gathered them, I bought some online resources para lang po dito, para lang po matulungan ko kayo. Okay po? Okay? Now, tayo sa Professional Education Actual Board, General Education, and our majorship. Okay. Question number 1, which is an example of process-based assessment? A, an F1 from a home economics class. B, a capstone project. C, a research paper. D, cleaning tools after use. I'll give you 15 seconds. So, future LPTs, sorry. The correct answer here is letter D, cleaning tools after use. Now, if you will notice, simple tip, kapag pumunta na po kayo sa habang nag-i-exam na kayo, LPTs, some of the answers ay masasagutan niyo mismo dun sa tanong. Yung other questions po is may clue na po kayo. Kahit hindi nyo alam yung sagot, is kapag tumingin lang kayo sa questions na yan, is mami-notice niya agad. Halimbawa, ito po yung process. Diba? Process-based. Ito po, diba? Process-based. So, process-based din pa lang is alam niyo na process, meaning ginagawa pa lamang. So, the correct answer is cleaning tools after use. Now, I created her. The correct answer again is cleaning tools after use. Process-based assessment focuses on evaluating the steps or processes students undertake to achieve a task rather than the final product. Tools after use demonstrates adherence to proper procedures affecting the process being assessed. Okay, cleaning tools after use demonstrates. Sila. Number 2 po tayo. In which assessment do you compare the performance of a student with that of others? A, criterion reference assessment. B, door reference assessment. C, contextualized assessment. D, decontextualized assessment. Okay, dito, comparing the performance. Para sa mga nagre-review palabang na, ito kayong mabahala kung days na lang kayo nag-review o almost 1 week na lang. May bibigay akong tips sa inyo. Kahit almost 1 week ka lang nag-review, but if you master the context in a practical matter, yung sinasabi nating testmanship skills, kapag na-master mo yun, I promise, papasa ka doon. Okay? So, okay. Pero iba pa rin yung difference pag preferred ka pinagkandaan. But of course, ano lang sila. Ano lang tayo, yung busy sa work, kaya kapag nakapag-review tayo, after I passed the board, hindi ako pa siya nung nag-focus due to some works na kailangan i-prioritize. So, yun, priority natin. So, all lang yan. Now, I don't like answer is letter. The correct answer is, ano yung sagot nyo? Letter B. Norm reference assessment. Okay. Bakit? First, why? Okay. Norm reference assessment evaluates a student's performance by comparing it. Kapag may nabasa kayo sa board exam na comparing students' performance, sagot ni Nagrag is yung norm reference assessment po yan. Okay? Ay, copy that. Okay. Number 3, which score distributes very narrow range? A, bimodal. B, right-quartic. C, left skewed. D, leptoquartic. So, okay. explain ko na to sa iba natin, sa other videos natin. Pero kung gusto niyo pong mas malinaw nito is mag-comment lang po kayo and I will explain. I will do another videos about Rodrigo. Okay? What's your answer? Future LPTs? Okay, the correct answer. Leptocardic. Here's why. Hyptocardic distribution po kasi as scores concentrated around the mean. Ay, around the mean na siya, resulting in a high peak in narrow range, indicating low variability and scores. Okay? Yung program natin dito is resulting in a high peak in narrow range. Around the mean na siya. Again, around the mean. Okay? Next, okay. General Education Actual Work. So, dito lang. Pagdating pala sa Gen Ed, para sa mga first-timer dyan, yes, some of the questions ay lumabas na talaga sa board. And yung gagawin nyo lang is i-memorize nyo lang. Unlike sa Prof-Ed, is situational talaga lahat. Pero nung nag-take kami, mostly, na siya remembering TOS or Table of Specifications, diba sa remembering, may halo na rin po siyang applying na kung saan, okay, situational na rin po yung general education. Sa aming time po nun. So, of course, dyan yung malalaman the importance of mastering testmanship skills. Okay po? Okay, General Education Actual Board, yung mga kulang natin to, kapag nakita niyo ang ganitong boards, okay, ganitong questions sa actual board examination niyo, sagot yun ang arito. Okay? Sagot nyo ang ganito. Loss of electrolytes due to heat, sunstroke po yan. Aedes mosquito, arthropoda. Okay? Arthropoda. Again, electrolytes, sunstroke, Aedes mosquito, arthropoda. Dito naman, okay, palagi itong lumalabas, yung human arm, bat wings, heel flippers. Yung sagot po dyan is homologous organs. Again, homologous organs. Again, pag may nabasa naman kayo, correct player, sagot nyo, impertinent irrelevant. Okay? Folktales and Arabian Sitting, yan po naman ay 1,001. Second, yung Arabian Sitting, folktales, ano saan siya galing? May ang title niyan is 1,001. Nice. Makikita natin to sa libro sa Deep Ed, yung sa grade 7. Okay, folktales and Arabian Sitting. Yung actual general board exam po kasi talaga is napaka-broad niya. Lamang po dito yung maraming na-explore na pagpasa, especially if they have the expertise in grammar. So, may age kayo doon, pero iba pa rin kapag nag-aral kayo. Kasi, talo talaga yan ang mga nag-aral at pinaghandaan. Okay po. Again, human arm, bat wings, heel flippers, homologous organs, choose correct pair, important relevant folktales, 1,001 marks. Okay, Iliad at OTC, Homer. Okay, explicit strophe to symbolic people in events, allegory. Okay, major ship. Nag-isa na po tayo. Okay, what is this more size of wire permitted by the code to be used in wiring installation? A, 2.0 millimeter, B, 3.5, C, 2.5, D, 1.25. Ano yung sagot? So, yung sagot po dapat ninyo is, I suggest pala sa mga taking po meters dito. Isagot nyo po, basahin nyo po yung PED or yung Philippine Electrical Code. May mga instances kasi doon na sinasali na sa board exam. Okay? Yung size ng small size of wire needed the code to be used in sa wiring tayo ha. So, wiring installation, ang sagot po dito is dito 5 letter A, 2.0 po siya. Again, the minimum wire size permitted in most electrical codes for safety and efficiency is 2.7 mm, which prevents overheating and ensures safe electrical conduction. Okay? So, naman po siya. Okay?